Okay, I want to show everybody how I figured out what was causing the miss in my 2001 Buick LeSabre. I know quite a bit about Buicks. I've had them most of my life, but this was something new. I'll just go through it here and show y'all just where I finally found it. It's pretty interesting. So here's what we got. It just kicked up with a miss, just like that all of a sudden. The miss was when it was idling. When you first start to take off, the engine would shake a little bit. So what I did was, what most people are going to do, you know, that live out in the country, can't put it on a code checker, just got to come out and figure it out for themselves. So the first thing I did was I figured it was a bad coil. I checked the plugs, checked the wires, they all checked good, you know, just by looking at them. And so I went in and I got a new coil. And I went through and I changed the coils one at a time. You all know how to do that, to narrow it down to which coil was bad. So it ended up and it wasn't my coils at all. So I got looking a little harder and I found it, so I'm going to try and show you where it was. It was back here in the back, okay? And what it was a plug wire. Let's see if I can show you. If you look, see the plug wire that's laying up against that sensor. I think that's might be the O2 sensor or something like that. See the plug wire laying up to it? What it done, it burned a hole. Because that sensor is hooked right up to your exhaust, it gets hot, okay? So it burnt a short in my plug wire right there. Let's see if I can get a little closer. You see it right there? So what I did was I just got another used plug wire and put on it. But now we're going to have to fix it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reroute the plug wire up underneath this bracket right here. See there, like that. So the plug wire is back up here on top, but it can't get down in there and touch the sensor on my exhaust. So that's all it was. The plug wire was resting up against that sensor on top of the muffler back here, the manifold, and it just burned a spot in it. It started shorting out. It was really amazing because when I seen it, first thing I did was I pulled the wire up and put it up here. Went inside and started the car, and it ran as smooth as silk. So just like that. That's all the problem was. But I hope this helps somebody if they have a miss in their Buick. You know, look it over real good. So that's it.